So, hello everyone, today we are going to do the beta effect. It's this effect, not that much impressive. If you followed what I said in the last video, those dots aren't actually moving. There are dots all around, but some of them are switched on and switched off. That's how it works. So, let's get right into it. Let's take, for instance, a donut. I mean, you can take whatever you want. And I know how we are going to proceed. So Shift A, of course, and torus, new, want an emission shader, no sorry, emission, yes, mix, Shift A again, enter, like that there, now Shift A, transparent, enter, and it's going to be quite easy, alpha blend, none, show back face, I don't care. Emission, let's say maybe this color, and you see we have the choice between two factors. We have the in between, the 0, the 1, etc. So let's keep that like that. Let's delete the camera, we don't need it. And now, right click, horizontal split, timeline, zoom with the mouse wheel, of course. Now, let's start at 0. Now, let's say I want 1 there. Maybe 40 seconds later, I want it there. E again. And now it's progressively fading from emission to transparent. Now, what I want to do is go to the graph editor, press the home key. Okay. We don't see it because we have to select that. Now we see it. Now A to select all, right click, interpolation constant, and it does exactly what I wanted to do. It means that you have an emission until the frame 39 and then completely black. So now let me think. I want to dispatch some of them, so activate the magnet so that it snaps to the grid. No. Yes. Shift D to duplicate, select those one, Shift D again. Shift D, Shift D. Oops. And now they are all doing it at the same time, so what I want is select this one, and for that for that one we don't have the choice, we'll have to do it one by one. So let's get closer. I actually want the timeline. Yes, it will be much better. of course I have to add a new material from this one, so that the other aren't influenced, because they are all linked with the same material. So select that, put it there, no. Yeah, okay, it's because it's still an emission, but let's see. So this one we have to do it too. A to select all keyframe, put it until 80. It's working right now, okay. So the end is 80, there it's 20, it's 120, sorry. Now we will do this one. So again, new material, select all until 120. Yes. Okay, we've reached this one. Did I did this one before? Okay. Okay, let's see the result. Now we did the opposite. So let's do that instead. So we have this one disappearing, so what we want is this one to appear. So we'll put a 1. No, this one disappearing? No, I won't. But this one there, let's see what it does. And it looks like it's working. No, this one, going. This one again. And since we animated them by 40 frames, the next one will be 240. This one, E. 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 Now let's see that. Yeah, it doesn't look like so, but if we put it a higher frame rate, you have this feeling that this thing is looping like the snake. Now, of course, it's not going as fast. So you know what? Let's just render that. I don't want it in desktop, I want it in Blender Illusion. Our animation, it's saved there. I want let's keep the bloom and let's render that. No, let's render that. Oops, of course, we need a camera, so go face the y-axis by pressing 1 or the -1 there. Camera 0. Now you can move that. Now let's say something like 80 on 80. I want it in the camera in orthographic view. It's not centered, it doesn't really matter. Okay, let's close that. Go to video editing. Desktop. Under illusions. Beta effect. And we can put it right there. No. For the time, for the speed, sorry, factor, I will put it twice and see the result. Okay, let's put it at 5. Okay, maybe 3. It's not as obvious as the 3 dots we saw, but the technique is there. At least the technique is the same, just that we need to tweak them so that there is more black space between them. Anyway, it's still fine. Yeah, it's more obvious like so, and it's smaller. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope also that you find it useful, and don't forget to share, to comment, put a like, etc. And I'll see you for the next one, which is the see the stroboscopic effect. You did not know it's this. Having this feeling to see the the helix rotating very slowly when it's not the case. It's rotating at a very high speed. It's because of the eye perceptions, or should I say the camera there, because it's a camera filming, of course. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!